All right, welcome to this lesson on factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. So we've already looked at factoring the tough ones. We're going to start by doing this exactly the same way as we started, okay? So we're going to take our sum, which is our b value. So in this case, it's 5. Our product is our a times our c, so it's a 1 times 4, which is 4. So my numbers are 1 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite my middle term, x squared plus 1x plus 4x plus 4. We will group our first two, group our last two. So I end up with x times x plus 1 plus 4 times x plus 1. So my factors are x plus 1 and x plus 4. Great, let's do t squared plus 8t plus 12. I'm just going to zoom in so I've got a bit more space here. Okay, so again, I go through, take my sum will be 8. My product is 1 times 12, which is 12. So that is going to be 6 and 2. So t squared plus 6t plus 2t plus 12. Group the first two, group the next two. So I'll take out a t and I'll left with t plus 6. Take out a plus 2, t plus 6. My factors are t plus 6 and t plus 2. Let's look at x squared plus 9x minus 90. So my sum is 9, my product is negative 90. So that's going to be, what are we going to be at? Positive 15 and negative 6, I believe. 15 times 6 is 90. Okay, so it's going to be x squared plus 15x minus 6x minus 90. Take out an x, I'll be left with x plus 15. Take out a negative 6, I'll be left with x plus 15. So my factors are x plus 15 and x minus 6. Let's look at one more and then we're going to go back and see if we can see anything in case you haven't seen it yet. Last guy here, my sum is negative 13. My product is negative 90. So things that multiply to give me negative 90 and add up to 13. I'm going to have to do a little bit of looking here. So I've got 1 and 90, 2 and 45, 3 and 30, 4. Nope, 4 doesn't go in. Get rid of that guy. 90 divided by 5 is 18. There we go. There's my pair, 5 and 18. That's going to be negative 18 and positive 5. So x squared minus 18. Oh, look, these should be the same variable. Let's make these t's. T squared, that's a typo. T squared minus 18t plus 5t minus 90. Group the first two, group the last two. Take out a t, t minus 18. Take out a 5, t minus 18. My two factors are t minus 18 and t plus 5. Now, what I want you to do is go back and look at all of those questions, and I want you to compare the numbers. So we're going to look at the numbers that I chose to my factors. Okay, the numbers that I chose to my factors. We'll go back up here, look at the numbers that we chose, compare those to my factors, and in the very top guy, the numbers that I chose, compare those to our factors. So did you notice that in every case, the numbers that I chose, well, first of all, one thing that we'll notice about all of our factors that are the same is that they all don't have a leading coefficient, right? Like it's x times x, t times t, whatever the case may be. And the numbers that I chose are the integers that are in my factors. So what I can say is that when you have x squared plus bx plus c, the two numbers you choose for sum and product are the integers I'm going to call them m and n in the factors. Okay, so it'll be like x plus m, x plus n, whatever they happen to be. Okay, they are m and n. So we can super shortcut it. Okay, so if I go down to this, or actually, I didn't realize there was 2 left here. Let's do these ones using the shortcut. Okay, so my sum here is -4. My product is -32, so it's going to be -8 and +4. So what I'm saying is we can shortcut this and go, if it's going to give me r squared, it's going to be an r and an r. And my 2 numbers are going to be -8 and +4. So -8 and +4. You can always use decomposition method, okay? You can always do that. But when you don't have a number in front, this is very specific, there can't be a number in front of the squared term, you can use this shortcut. Okay, so I've got +20 and -4. So this is going to be y plus 20 and y minus 4. So this is a shortcut. You can use it if you want. You can always decomp. But if you're going to go into Pre-Cal 20, you should start trying to work with some of these shortcuts because you need to be able to factor fairly quickly in that course. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and practice now.